What's the meaning of additionally? Additionally. 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 Additionally is an adverb that means something is being added to an existing or previous situation, or in addition to what has already been mentioned. It indicates that extra information or actions are being provided which supplement or complement the main point of discussion. For example, if a person says, "I am going to the store to buy apples. Additionally, I will pick up some oranges," it means that the person is adding to their initial plan and will also purchase oranges. In summary, additionally signifies an additional piece of information or action that is contributing to an existing situation or conversation.